I got the earth and the blunt. I get the skirt when I want. I get the skirt when I want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexi. I know I have been MIA for a really long time, but I really suggest that it's been like 3 weeks. I'm gonna cut myself some slack, but I really suggest that you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell because you never want to miss a video from me. And I also encourage you to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is x_Lexdoll. That's now my channel name. It used to be Lexdoll Beauty. It's no longer Lexdoll Beauty. If you want to see all my secrets and tricks on how I apply lashes, then please keep on watching. So first, you're going to open your lashes, obviously. That is not step 1 yet. So, step number 1 is you're going to fit this to your eye. Well, I applied mascara first. Normally, I would apply the mascara after, but I did a tutorial before this. And a lot of people do this. So, yeah, you're just going to match it to your eye. Make sure that fits. Step number 2 is to cut your lashes. So measure them, cut them. I always cut from the inside. If your lashes fit you, you can still cut like little sharp corners off. Oh, okay. So step 1, we got that down. You're gonna measure your lashes. Step 2, you are gonna cut your lashes to fit your eye. Now you're gonna apply your glue. So I'm just gonna go in with this duo glue. Step number 3 is to wait 30 seconds. Well, 30 to 45, I would say. I waited 30 seconds. And you want to get the lash as close to your lash line as possible. Step number 4 is that you're going to secure your lashes with a press. So you're going to press that. A lot of times this will stick to it and then pull the lash off, and it just sucks. This is with the lash, obviously. This is without the lash. My lashes still looked nice before, but now they look extra, extra. Now you're going to repeat the same technique for the other side. We already cut and measured this lash. So now we're just going to add the glue, wait the 30 seconds, and then we are going to apply and secure.
Secure the lash.
I've earned $10 off my next purchase of $50 or more. There's an expiration date. So I better get those lashes quick. It's like, are you saving money or are you wasting money if you don't get them in time, or are you saving money by not getting them?
The shopper will never know.
Since we already applied our lashes before, then we already are done.
She my number 1, I don't need nothing on the side. Said that I was done for good and don't want no more lies.